Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a drop-down menu within your WordPress blog. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, I've got a bunch of different categories up here for my different blog posts on this website. So I've got family, kids, toddlers, babies, etc. Let's go ahead and put, let's say, kids and toddlers under family. And let's go ahead and jump into the back end of WordPress. All right, so I'm currently on the home page, the back end of my WordPress. Hopefully that makes sense. But I'm going to go down to Appearance and then go to Menus. So now, as you can see here, I have this same menu. It's in the same order. If you want to go check, we can go over here. You can see it goes babies to family. And what we can do is you can see we got babies to family. So now I'm going to move the family up so then it's more closer to the home, and then I want to create kids and toddlers as a sub item. So what I could do is just drag it up there and then also drag it to the right, and then it creates it as a sub item. So for toddlers, it's going to be the same thing. If I just had it in line and just dragged it up, it would be its own separate item. But now if I drag it over, it could be a sub item, and then maybe a sub item of a sub item. So let's go ahead and save this menu here. And the page refresh so I know it's saved. This might take a little bit, but I'm going to refresh the front page and just double check. As you can see here, we've got like a down caret next to family, and it's got kids and toddlers. So that was a quick and easy way of how to create a drop-down menu in your navigation bar within WordPress. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe.